Hey guys, what's up? Quick video for you today. So a little something different. Today I'm heading to the bustling town of Inverness, Florida to go to Nature Coast Woodcarving Show and Sale. Now I know very little about this. The event popped up on my Facebook page and it's about an hour away from my house, so I figured I'd go check it out. Also, I've actually never been to a woodcarving show or any kind of woodcarving event outside of checking out the Florida State Fair here in Florida. Which I won first place, but you know, it's no big deal. But yeah, I figured Saturday, it's a little after 8 a.m. and the event starts at 9. I got an hour drive ahead of me, and I'm pretty excited. The last YouTube video I saw for their event was almost, it was like 9 years ago, 10 years ago, something like that. So I figured I may as well film my little adventure today. Anyway, I'm gonna get on the road, let's get going, and I'll check back with you guys once we arrive. That's great.
Are you folks today? Are you a veteran, sir? Would you like the chance to win a free game?
Picture and the carving and all that picture.
That's funny, yeah, that's true.
Yes, sir. Very good stuff.
Beautiful work.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
It's a lot of work.
It's actually a lot of fun.
Always is.
It's really not as much work as you think. They also use them to make red names of horses that they braided in.
Oh, that's a great idea.
From somebody, I looked this up on YouTube, and the last video I saw was from 9 years ago. So I thought maybe I would do a little video on this event to get the lionfish in there. Is it okay if I video? Normally I asked before to start, but got into it. It's really nice. Maybe I should get a lead. Yeah. No. I just carve gouges, knives, hand tools. that in the Carving Faces book. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna order some larger basswood blocks and get after it.
Your stick has to be perfectly shaped and perfectly tapered, and I don't want it perfect. It's a walking stick, and one that keeps some of the natural shape of the wood. You too.
I gotta tell you, I love this owl. Guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I really enjoyed that event. It was awesome being able to go to an actual carving show and see what other people in my area are doing. I bought a membership to the club, so maybe I can get out there and for some carving sessions with some of them. And next year, maybe even have my own table set up with some of my own stuff. So there wasn't a ton of cottonwood there, so even though I carve basswood, I'm mostly carving cottonwood now. So I don't know, we'll see how things are next year, but that's probably what I would have on my table. So, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you're interested in carving, and you're in that area, anywhere near there, I would encourage you to join their club, so you can check out some of their events and carving sessions. They have carving sessions multiple times a week, different locations. So, but check them out on Facebook, and most of the information's there. So, but anyway. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys next time.